After the attack on Doha, Hamas has clarified that the main leadership is saved. However, Hamas has said that 5 members were killed. But fresh reports say that 14 people, including the head of negotiating team Khalil al-Hayya and 1 security member of Qatar, were killed. Israeli attack is being criticized by the world as Hamas had already agreed to sit for amicable solution and implementation of ceasefire. It proves the main aim of Israel itself is not the peace and ceasefire or truce. The object of Israel is to eliminate Hamas leadership and to bulldoze the cities with all and every infrastructure thereof. Not only that, but kill the Palestinians. As had been supported by President Trump and Elon Musk, Western powers want make the Palestine an empty land, which they want to redesign as per their business point of view along with exploitation of minerals in sea and coastal areas. Israel is just a tool to tighten the nut and bolt or to lose where it is needed. Israel's educational institutions are like where Jewish religious point of view is taught so as to plant generation by generation the mindset of Israeli people for the justification of imperialist capture of Palestine land and exploitation of resources in land and sea. At a time when the world wants peace in the area, this attack has abolished every effort amid to end the destruction and starvation in population. It is also a fact that some Arab countries have shown somehow inclination to the plan, with some portrayed term that Palestinians should not be forced to leave their homeland. They seem ready to invest in the proposed plan. Question arises, why had not Qatar managed strict security arrangements to secure the Hamas leadership? Qatar must clarify this question to the peace-lover world. Whole of the world also wants Russia and China to respond to the point why these 2 big powers are silent for not clarifying Israel that such arbitrary and brutal acts would not be tolerated anymore. America must also take in confidence the world that if Israel had already intimated America, then why did the US not warn Israel to abstain from doing heinous crime? After this attack, the situation in the area would be more disturbed. Solution to the issue gone far behind. Till now, at least 64,605 people have been killed in Gaza as a result of the brutality of Israel.